Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. I am Ria Perez, a student of professional training in business administration. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to make labels in Word. As I in the first video, the first step is to have a folder structure in documents. The second is to download the team's database and change the first name. In this case is to change it. Now I'm going to open Word and I'm going to start explaining the label. The first step is blank document. And now click on mailings. In this part, in start mail merge, select the labels. This part is most important. The labels vendors, I select the apply and your product number, your size. In Teams, select this option, 24 option. In this case is 1163. Now 1163. This. Click on OK and in select recipient, select this option, use an exist list. Click on this folder in mailings, click on labels, basic and database. Click on open and in insert merge field, select the number of customers and enter for example telephone of the customer. And this part is most important, update labels and put the name and telephone of this part. Now I insert the logo, insert picture and online pictures and type in the logo. Select this. Select this and insert. And the picture in picture format in wrap text. In wrap text, select this option in front of the text, and this part is delete. And the logo is moved. In this part. And in mailings, click on all in update labels and put of the logo. And now preview result, click on and show to the name and phone of the customers. Now to save this document, in file, save as, and in browse, select the mailings, in this case is labels, basic, and the number of the document is MD labels, and type in the size. In this case is 31:63. And in this case is all customer. click on save, and now in finish and merge, in this option edit individual documents, select the all merged record, click on OK, and put of the most page. And now to save this document in File, Save As, Browse, in Mailings, Labels, Basic, and in this case is MAD Labels, all customers. Save, and this exercise is to finish. Well, I hope you liked it, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye!